Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for a restoration business. They focus on basic features like contact storage, but completely ignore the real challenge of restoration work: emergency speed and coordination under pressure. Here's the truth no one tells you. In restoration, especially water, fire, or mold damage, the fastest responder often wins the job. Not the cheapest. Not the most experienced. The fastest. In this video, you'll learn the best CRM options for restoration businesses in 2026, what features actually matter, and how to choose the right system that helps you win more emergency calls and manage jobs smoothly. Let's get into it. Restoration businesses are different from most service companies. You're not scheduling routine appointments. You're responding to emergencies at unpredictable hours, managing insurance paperwork, dispatching crews fast, and keeping homeowners updated during stressful situations. That's why generic CRMs often fail in this industry. One of the most widely used solutions is Jobber. It's simple, fast, and built for field service teams. It helps with scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication. For smaller restoration companies, it can bring order to chaotic operations. Imagine Alex runs a water damage restoration company. A homeowner calls at 3 a.m. Without a system, Alex is scrambling through texts and spreadsheets. With a CRM, the job is instantly created, assigned to the nearest technician, and the homeowner gets automatic updates. But here's the problem. Many restoration owners think job tracking is the hardest part. In reality, communication is what breaks most businesses. This is where most people fail. A delayed update during a water emergency creates stress for the customer. That stress turns into complaints, bad reviews, and lost referrals. A good CRM solves this by sending real-time updates, arrival notifications, and job progress tracking automatically. Now, here's where it gets interesting. As your business grows, you'll deal with insurance claims, documentation, photos, and detailed reporting. At that point, more advanced platforms like ServiceTitan become valuable because they centralize operations, reporting, and dispatching at scale. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to choose the right CRM for your restoration company. First, focus on 5 essentials: emergency dispatch speed, mobile access for technicians, automated customer updates, job documentation, and insurance-friendly reporting. If a CRM is weak in any of these areas, it will slow your growth. Let's take a quick example. Jake runs a fire damage restoration company. By using automated updates and streamlined dispatching, his team reduces response time and improves customer satisfaction without adding more office staff. That is the real advantage of the right CRM. So what is the best CRM for restoration businesses in 2026? It's the one that helps you respond faster, communicate better, and manage complex jobs without confusion. If your CRM reduces chaos instead of adding it, you're on the right track. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software breakdowns, and comment which CRM you're currently using or considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.